En geno mara Nyakwaramogi ni Rio Makare waikore mar kelo ni weche manyien na mag migago e thuolo ni to mokwongo wawinjane thuond weche.
It's a very difficult thing to try and join. We in Jubilee are in opposition. We want to form the next government. We are not going to shake hands with him because it doesn't help in Kenya.
Jeremiah Kioni onyero mosruok e kind jatend piny William Ruto gi ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga kowacho ni yie Kenya Kwanza nimo kendo onge resruok mabiro konye. Anyuola, wede kod osiepe ochokore e gweng' ma Manzoni e kaunti ma Machakos e nyasi mar kopo mogik mar retired Colonel James Nguyo Gitahi. Jalup gavana e kaunti ma Meru Isaac Mutuma biro chamo muma kaka gavana chieng' wuok tich bang' sirikal go chapa nyasi mar sitho mare. Arwakini machiegni weche manyien mag migago. Nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jagoro maduong' mar duond buch Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni onyiero riwruok mar jatend piny William Ruto kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga ka bende odhi nyime go debe ne jatend migawo mar arita machon Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Jatelono ne twak e kaunti ma Nyamira e romo manokelo kanyakla jokanyo mag duond buch Jubilee ka Kioni nokwedo kampen mag jatend piny mohiu koyango ni kampens go osekelo midhiero ne jopiny e kaunti ma Nairobi. Jatelono bende notiyo gi thuolo makamano e goyo debe ne Fred Matiang'i koyango ni Matiang'i ema biro reso jo Kenya koa kuom tenda Kenya Kwanza mosehinyo oganda jo Kenya.
And unlike any other presidential candidate, he has decided to use goons. Goons, to the point where he has brought back thuggery levels in Nairobi in a manner unseen. The things we are seeing in Nairobi are things we used to see during Kanu's years. Those days. And we thought we have left that phase. So, it's a very difficult thing to try and join. We in Jubilee are in opposition. We want to form the next government. We are not going to shake hands with him because it doesn't help in Kenyan. He is now doing over 900 days. It's not after 900 days that you are going to see any change. Ile mambo ya kupanga na kuteua na hiyo mambo ingine.
Anyuola, wede kod osiepe ochokore e gwenge ma Manzoni e kaunti ma Machakos e nyasi mar kopo mogik mar retired Colonel James Nguyo Gitahi manowito ngimane e masira mar apaya e apaya ma Mombasa aro tarik 5 madweni. Mosenindo Gitahi ne en jaod Senator Mogwel Betty Montet ma osebedo ka tiyo gi kambi mar Royal Media Services kendo bedo kod osiep machiegni gi familia mar jakom kambi Royal Media Services Dr. SK Masharia. Wawinjane kaka chenro no dhi nyime.
Si kusema, anasema unajua mimi sasa sitaki kudanganya. Acha tu niwaambie ukweli venye kulie. That is Nyambura for you. Nyambura for you. Na Ben Githai. Allow me now to invite Mrs. Sang on behalf of all chamas. Asungumzi on behalf of all chamas. Please, Mrs. Sang. And as she comes, Muranga group, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Mutasimama alongside the chairman, Dr. SK Macharia, wakati wake ukifika. Kwa sababu I know that is one team. Hata mimi na Beni ni wa hapo lakini by extension. Makofi kwa Mrs. Sang.
God is good and all the time. Our friend Bimeti, and our only chairman, Masharia, and your wife, all protocols observed. My name is Mrs. Sang. I stand here to give our condolences from so many women, Shamas, that Betty is one of us. You all want to believe that behind every successful man, there is a woman. And the successes we have heard about Kano could not have been a story without Betty's name being pronounced. Women, is it true? Yes, so behind every successful man, there is a woman. And behind every happy woman, there is a supportive man behind. Thank you so much, Betty, for having been one of us. And we thank our Prime Minister for having appointed you. You appointed the best, and we need more women in that government. You did it for us. Betty is one of us, and we love her. Betty, we love you, and that is why we are here. The only thing I would like to tell you is you and your family, if you want to make Getahi happy where he is, please be doing all what he wanted best. All what he wanted best. Please do it. His spirits are just here, and he'll be seeing it. All our shamas and friends of Betty women, please stand up. All shamas and friends of Betty women, even the Senate. Here we are, Betty. Congratulations. That is what we are telling you with these women. For having gotten to the gate of till death do us part. That is why we are here. We have taken you up to that gate where we are taking Getahi. You said it, and today we have been to sit down, my dear girls. We have said it. We have taken you up to that gate. This is where we are. Till death do us part. This is the gate, and now today we are seeing Getahi off because you swore to do it that way. Please, Betty, we shall be behind you. You know we love you. Even before you became a senator, you are our friend. You never changed. You never changed because you became a senator. And we know you are not going to change now that you have been left with the two shoes, Getahis and yours. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Junior and the children, please take care of Mom. You know she can do it, and we know she's a capable woman. Thank you so much.
Better hard clap. Asante. Nilitangulia kusema sometimes it's difficult to lead such a service ya such a person kwa sababu hujui who to give and who not to. Lakini mtu mzuri si anapaswa kuzikwa pole pole na mubaya aharakishwe. Ama namna gani? Mnasema aje nyinyi? Unajua kuna mahali naelekea. Nataka kuomba kanisa kwa heshima watuongeze like 20 minutes. Tewana hapa. Katuko tukikate. 20 minutes or 30, si ndio? Kwa heshima. Najua watumishi wananisikia mahali walipo, watupe 30 minutes kwa sababu the other program that is remaining is not huge, and my fellow MC Mike Jenga will lead that part. Kwa hivyo Mike, take the other part.
Asante sana, nashukuru kwa huo muda, na najua tutaenda kama tumemalizia. I'd like to call upon now marubani wote tafadhali, naomba mje marubani wote, Bluebird 99 School of Flying, njoni so that you can say goodbye to Kano na mwenye atakuwa na represent marubani wote. Kwa nimeona meketi mali pale. I know Bluebird mko hapa 99. I know you're here. Karibuni. Karibu, karibu.
Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the family of Senator Betty Montet Gitai, senior military officers, both serving on retired, political leadership, kanisa yote, jambo. My name is Major Retired Mike Rono Save. I stand here on behalf of the aviators to say one thing on this day. But before that, I'll take a few seconds just on my personal level, because I've had a very good and long-standing relationship with this family. The family of Colonel Gitai, before I met Colonel, Mr. Francis Kiomba Gitai taught me in high school for 4 years, together with his dear wife. After 4 years, I joined the military, and that's where I met Colonel James Gitai, who was my mentor in the Air Force for more than 10 years. And we met again in the civilian world when we served together in Bluebird. I really want to thank this family for that. I will now go ahead to read the tribute on behalf of my fellow aviators. I believe there'll be a chance for the CEO of Bluebird to say something, so this for the aviators only. Okay, tribute to Colonel Gitai. Colonel Eji, as was fondly known by his peers, embarked on his journey with Bluebird Aviation Limited on the December 1st, 2011. From the very beginning, he demonstrated extraordinary dedication and skill, taking on the roles of training captain and designated check pilot for a significant portion of company's fleet. His remarkable service culminated in his appointment as chief pilot on May 24, 2018, a title he held until his retirement on May 31, 2023, after attaining his mandatory retirement age of 65 years. In recognition of his thoughtful leadership and the profound impact he had on his colleagues and the organization, the management offered Colonel JG an opportunity to fly one last time with his family on May 19, 2023. This poignant gesture served as a testament to their deep appreciation for his exceptional contributions to the company. The flight was a moment of celebration and gratitude, capturing the attention of many media outlets, Royal Media being the lead, as they honored his legacy. As we gather here to
Mana kamano manoliel mar Colonel Gitai, ma bende kinyalo paro ne en jariemb ndege mane riembo jatend piny machon Mwai Kibaki kaachiel bende gi Daniel Arap Moi, kamoko bende ma jotelo moyuore nyasi noting'o Dr. SK Masharia, mano jakom kambi Royal Media Services, Gadhoni Masharia ma en jalup jakom mar kambi Royal Media Services, moluor Raila Odinga ma en ogai mar ODM, jagoro mar ODM Edwin Sifuna, wan gi speaker mar Senate Amazon Kingi, kaachiel koda Senator Mabusia Okia Omtata e kin mamoko. Kawadhi nyime en ni ka thieth ma Kenyatta University Teaching Research and Referral Hospital koro biro chako thieth mongirore e tuoche mag nyarogno bang' dwe achiel. Gino mabiro reso oganda jo Kenya mosebedo katiyo gomenda makore lach e kinde ma gimanyo thieth e pinje ma oko. Jata tije maduong' e od thieth ma Kenyatta University, Laktar Zainab Gura, oyango ni chenro duto ni kare, kendo yango ni oganda ma kwan gi ni malo modagi tuo ma nyarogno mosebedo ka kelo thoe mang'eny e pacho ka koro biro yudo resruok. Laktar John Jogu, ma bende ne ochung' ne tuoche mag nyarogno e kar thiedhno, bende okwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo owuog oko mar ng'eyo chal margi kaluwore gi tuoche mag nyarogno.
We are preparing patients, and within a month, we are actually going to start our first kidney transplant in Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital.
So after you have received a transplant, the financial burden of the post-operative care was actually discouraging patients for seeking what? Transplant. So one thing again to be thankful for is that the Social Health Authority is covering the pre-operative, the operative, and the post-operative.
Wakati nilikuja hapa nimetibiwa, kwa sababu hata vile nilikuwa mbaya zaidi, hata singejipeleka na mikono, hata singejipeleka hata na miguu, hata nilikuwa napelekwa na kitanda tu. Lakini finally mimi ndio huyu, niko na miaka 6 nikiwa hapa KU Lifaro.
Jalup Gavana ma Meru Isaac Mutuma koro biro chamo muma wuok tich tarik 17 dweni e alak ma Mwendantu e boma ma Meru. E oboke makende manogo chapa gi sirikal, Mutuma ibiro sidhi kaka gavana chieng' wuok tich tarik 17 dwe mar adek, nyasi mibiro bagi alap ma Mwendantu e kaunti ma Meru kono. Ote makama biro bang' ka doho mamalo nyosiro ng'eto mar od bura ma Senate manothicho oko gavana ma kaunti no Kawira Mwangaza. Jalup gavana Isaac Mutuma biro mako telo no kaka gavana e thuolo modong' duto nyaka chieng' yiero mabiro. Riwruok mar Bible Translation and Literacy obago ng'wech e kaunti mag Nairobi, Nakuru gi Uasin Gishu mar choko omenda mabiro konyo siro chenro mopogore mag loko muma nyaka e dho od mama. Kaluwore gi jata tije ka riwruokno Reverend Peter Munguti, gigeto machiwo puonj n'oganda mag dhoudi ma pod onge kod muma mondiki gi dhogi, ka jafwambo marwa Efi Nyakidi oseluoro wachno kendo koro kelonwa lipodno e yo machalo kama.
Ne en ng'wech ma choko omenda motisi kaka Run for the Bibleless manobagi kod riwruok ma Bible Translation and Literacy e boma ma Lang'ata, buore Nairobi. Ng'wejno noriwo oganda jo-Kenya mag din mopogore opogore, jopuonjre mowuok e skunde mopogore opogore kod jogo bende matiyo e sectors mopogore opogore pacho ka. Kaluwore gi jata tije mar riwruogno Reverend Peter Munguti, gino maduong' ma gigeto timo en chiwo puonj ne oganda jo-Kenya ni nitie oganda mag dhoudi mamoko maonge kod muma mondik gi dho mama, chal ma bende osekelo pek ne oganda go.
We still have communities in this country and around us whose language is not yet in a written form. They do not have any single text in their language. They need the scriptures in the language that speaks to their hearts.
When we present the scriptures in the language that goes to the heart of the readers, in those smaller language groups, they can read for themselves and encounter God as He has revealed Himself in the scriptures. So they don't have to depend on somebody else's translation or what they hear being said around. They can read the scriptures for themselves.
Nyasino mabende nobagi e kaunti ma Nakuru kod boma ma Eldoret, kaunti ma Uasin Gishu, geto solomenda masiro chenro mopogore opogore, ahinya to mar loko muma kowuok e dhok achiel nyaka e dho mama.
Why are we raising funds? It's because Bible translation, language development, literacy, it takes a lot of financial resources just to develop a language into a written form, beginning with developing an orthography of a language and using that to develop literacy materials and then Bible translation. And for us who come from major communities, that story is not foreign to us because there are those who came to us. They developed our languages.
Ng'wejno bende igeno ni chiwo thuolo ne jopuonjre mar somo paro gi jowetegi e wi weche mopogore opogore manyalo konyo kendo bero dongruok margi.
The people like the ones that you see today, an opportunity to participate in the world of missions. These children need to grow knowing that they can be able to impact someone else. For those of us who are so privileged to have all the resources that we need here in Nairobi and in Nakuru and Eldoret, we want to be able to be a blessing to others in this country. And when children like these ones grow up knowing that they can impact the life of another person, they are going to be different people.
We make sure that communities like the Chonyi, the Upper Pokomo, the Digo, Duruma, the Samburus, they get the word of God and God speaks to them in their heart. And as a result of that, transformation takes place.
Kochopo sani, riwruok mar Bible Translation and Literacy oseloko mumbe abiriyo moriwo muma machon mong'ere kaka Old Testament kod muma manyien ma New Testament, kaachiel kod mumbe 11 mag New Testament. Efi Nyakidi, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Lepodno mar Efi Nyakidi ema tero yweyo mokwongo e chenro mar Migago, waduogo kik idhi mabor.
Kuwa rubani. Fly the skies ukinonesha wallet. Play the aviator on patapata.com and win big in seconds. Not for persons under the age of 18. Authorized and regulated by BCLB license number 447.
Royal Mabati Factory Limited, dukani achiel kende miyude rang'iny mamalo magoyo itado makare. Yud offers mawan godo ka ichulo atamalo 40, iyud mwandu molosi chieng'no. Yue mos dala kawakeloni nono maonge chudo nyaka e dhot. Gochnwa e 07222 633 833. Tim order kokalo e www.royalmabati.com. Weche kod chike mantie nyakalo.
Today we're being flagged off and starting our 5-month journey. Around Africa. Yay! Hi.
The dream they have to educate 50 for life inawezekana.
We're doing this to support education of needy students through the Logos Endowment Fund. We invite you to follow us on all our socials around Africa on motorcycle.
Watch this story and more. Download the Citizen Digital app or visit www.citizendigital.com and find the Citizen Originals portal.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Geso kangeso saparga chel mamidhiambo.
Mbamba toko koma ye
tudri koda ngeso kangeso sapaga chiel mamidhiambo e chenro mar tiedero oka kamwabro budho manyanga kawakelo ni ngolo motimo cathedral. See you there.
Tiedero. Geso kangeso saparga chiel mamidhiambo. Manera Movie TV.
Machiegni kendo kuonde tiegruok machiwo puonj mag thieth koro dwaro ni piny owacho mondo yiene jogo motieko som klas 12 yiero kuonde tiegruok margi e bwo mbui mar yiero kuonde somo mar KUPS. Jopuonj mag somb thieth e bwo riwruok mar kuonde tiegruok mag thieth okwayo nonro mar points mikepo godo e tiegruok mondo mi oyiene jopuonjre kawo somo mag thieth manie rang'iny mapiny. Kane owuoyo e nyasi mar yango riwruok margi mar kuonde tiegruok mag somo mag thieth, jakanyono motelnegi kod Dennis Okech ne owacho ni kuonde tiegruok makamago osebet e okang' mambele mar chopo dwach jopiny kotenore kod thieth ka bende neno ni jopuonjre duto chiwo thieth e rang'iny mar piny mangima.
Here we also maybe the IADM Bank.
There are so many medical colleges in Kenya, and we want to come up together and streamline and get the standard with the government as the regulation. So we have got so many problems which we want to come and address as Amity Kenya. We want members to join us, and from today we move forward and we will give direction on the training.
We do not want to cast aspersions between KMTC and separate other Kenyans who are in other colleges, such that we elevate the face of our KMTC graduates and lower the quality of the face of the other graduates who are in private or public universities. To that extent, it is not something that we could all of us appreciate. We want to see every Kenyan child and every Kenyan obtaining or procuring quality medical education.
We really are needed to support them, and we think we have really advised them that this will go a long way in ensuring quality medical education, and their participation through advocacy will be of great value, especially when various policies concerning the medical training.
Esechegi manok matije medo bedo midhiero n'oganda mathoth e pachoka, piny owacho koro dwani mondo tek chenro mag mbui kata internet mondo rowere oti kodgi e chuogo thuolo mag tije. kanoloso bang' yawo ayanga kar jiwo rowere tiyo gi lony mag mbui e chuogo thuolo mag tije Mombasa. Philip Riga, ma en jatend kituono midendo ni DDB, koni en ayanga ni sani chenro mopogore mitayo e yor mbui ema chiwo thuolo mag tije ne oganda mathoth. Ne bende okoni en midhiero ni kata obedo ni rowere mathoth ni koda simbe manyasani manyalo konyogi e timo tije mag mbui, thothgi tiyo kodgi e gigo ma ok nyal konyogi. Kolero ni YouTube, Instagram, TikTok kod Facebook gin moko kuom chenro manyalo konyo oganda.
So we'd like the government to at least try as much as possible to ensure 4G, 5G networks reaches all parts of the country in remote areas so that each and every Kenyan citizen can enroll to this DDB and start working online so that he can earn some few shillings.
Getting a job down out there nowadays is hard. You have finished college, you don't have a job, you are waiting for somebody to come and employ you. You go there, they tell you, you have to have 10 years experience. Where did you get that experience from? So for these online things, at least it's the best method you can earn your money. You don't have to go and ask for anybody for money.
Ne jogo duto manie Sabato kawuono, happy Sabbath. Ne jogo duto morito lemo dichieng' makiny, ubed gi Jumapil makare moponga lam. Agoni oriti masani ka bang' thuolo machuok. Emmanuel Ochieng gi kweth mare biro ka gi chenro mar paw tuke. Nyinga Milton Ochieng, oriti masani.
رمضان ده حياتي، رمضان ده سماع مماتي.